Okay, this should be working now. So I'm just showing how my HW4 website works. And okay, so at first we see there's two text boxes here. There's the one where we're going to enter client and then the number of reams. And both of them you can see the placeholder text in light gray as instructed. And then we can also see in the client there's jQuery autocomplete. So if I go ST, we see Toast Starbucks. So, I can go let's see. Okay, so basically, you can type a letter and just like we're used to, you get autocomplete. So why not do that, right? So we got flat top, and then we see the sales records down here. They're in the same order as in that screenshot on the last page with Jim, Stanley, Michael. And then just to demonstrate some of the warnings, so if we try and submit without entering a client, we're going to get this warning: the client field is empty. So if we sort of say we enter a client now, but we don't put anything in the reams field, we're going to get the reams field is empty. But then there's the other case of what if the reams field you enter -5. Obviously we can't sell anyone -5 pieces of paper, so we're going to get you entered an invalid number, and you get the same for 0. And then, but once we enter a valid number, that goes away, and like we're meant to have, the sales record is prepended. And then just to show that we're not using a table, just inspect here. You can see, well, you really can't. Oh, this is why. You can see in here there's no use of table in HTML. What we're actually doing is we're using we're doing all this spacing and everything in jQuery and CSS. And then, so just to demonstrate the drag and drop into the trash, this works. This will delete elements. And so we can submit also. We can submit either by clicking the blue button as I did last time, or just clicking enter will submit. And then also, instead of dragging and dropping into the trash, which as we see does the right highlighting, you can also delete a row of a sales entry just with this X button, clicking that, and that works as it should. So we have the different warnings. We have the submitting, the drag and drop, the delete button, the submit button. We're prepending, and yeah, that's about it. The sales records rendered properly, and then again, if we choose to enter, it gets entered at the front every time. And yeah, we'll delete it all. And then just to show that it is just even if we reload it, then we're back where we started. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you.